Maximizing your marketing ROI, tips and tricks. In today's competitive market, maximizing your marketing ROI is crucial. Here are some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your marketing efforts. First, define your target audience. Knowing who you're trying to reach will help you tailor your message and choose the most effective marketing channels. Next, set clear goals and track your progress. This will help you determine which tactics are working and which ones need to be adjusted or abandoned. One effective strategy is to use a mix of marketing channels, such as social media, email marketing, and content marketing. Each channel has its strengths and can help you reach different segments of your target audience. Another tip is to focus on creating quality content that provides value to your audience. This will not only help you build trust and credibility, but it will also increase the likelihood of your content being shared, which can lead to more visibility and engagement. Don't forget about the importance of data and analytics. By analyzing your marketing metrics, you can identify trends and insights that can help you optimize your strategy and improve your ROI. Finally, consider partnering with influencers or other businesses to expand your reach and credibility. This can be a great way to tap into new audiences and gain valuable exposure. By implementing these tips and tricks, you can maximize your marketing ROI and achieve your business goals.